Hi guys, very good morning. In the module 5, we'll discuss about intake structure. As you know that the intake structure is the basic function of the intake structure that help in safety withdrawing water from the source. The basically for water supply we need source. The source should be yield the good water. It may be surface water or groundwater source. If the surface water like river, tank, reservoir, ponds, lakes, the collected water can be easily drawn uh, through the pipes with the help of pumping, and we can collect in the tank, and that can be treated and supplied to the public. And in government groundwater, the either borewell or the open well, these supply water, yield water, and that can be supplied to the people after treatment. And in intake structure, this usually established or constructed in the sand bed or river bed or bank of river, where the sand bed is more, there the base flow will be there. In the monsoon season, the river will be flowing, and the water will be flowing in the river channel. So the at the time of flowing, the intake of water will be more in the well, and we can discharge, we can draw the sufficient water for public supply. In the summer, the sand, the base flow which is in the sand bed, that can be drawn with the help of the pipes, and that can be collected in the tank and can be used for the public purpose. Like this, the sources are yielding water, and that can be used for public water supply. So now I'll discuss about intake structure. You can see the structure on the screen. This is a total setup of intake structure. Intake structure. The basic function of the intake structure is to help in safety withdrawing water from the source over a predetermined range of pool levels, and then to discharge this water into the withdrawal conduit through which it flows up to the water treatment plant. The water will be collected, and this will be sent to the water treatment plant for further treatment. Thank you guys. Next I'll continue the factors governing the location of an intake well.